In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Planner. Microsoft Planner is a simple task management tool included with Microsoft 365. It helps you organize work into plans, buckets, and task cards so your team can clearly see what needs to be done, who is responsible, and when each task is due. First, open Microsoft Planner from Microsoft 365. You can also use Planner inside Microsoft Teams through the Tasks by Planner and To-Do app. Once Planner opens, you can either choose an existing plan or create a new one. To create a new plan, click New Plan, enter a name for your project, and choose whether the plan should be public or private. A private plan is usually better for team projects where only invited members should have access. After creating the plan, start organizing your board with buckets. Buckets are like columns that group your tasks. For example, you can create buckets called To Do, In Progress, Review, and Completed. You can also organize buckets by project phase, department, client, or priority. Next, add your tasks. Click Add Task, type the task name, choose a due date, and assign the task to the right person. Once the task is created, open the task card to add more details. Inside each task card, you can add a description, checklist, attachments, comments, labels, start date, due date, progress, and priority. This helps the assigned person understand exactly what needs to be done. Labels are useful for categorizing tasks. For example, you can use labels like urgent, marketing, design, finance, or client work. This makes the board easier to scan and filter. As work moves forward, update each task's progress. You can mark tasks as not started, in progress, or completed. You can also drag tasks between buckets, such as moving a task from to do to in progress, and then to completed. To manage your workload, use different planner views. The board view shows tasks in columns. The charts view shows progress and workload. The schedule view shows tasks by date. You can also use filters to find tasks by person, due date, label, priority, or progress. For teamwork, add members to the plan and assign tasks clearly. Use comments to ask questions, share updates, or tag teammates when needed. That's how to use Microsoft Planner to organize projects, manage tasks, and track team progress. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.